Hi guys, A.F.R here, and today I'm going to be unboxing some filaments for my 3D printer. If you don't know what printer that is, go back and watch my video where I unbox it and I say which printer it is, okay? So that link too should be in the description, okay? So to open this, we have a machete. This is definitely necessary to open this, no other way to open it, okay? Okay. Thanks to the machete, it's now open. Okay, so first thing when we open it, first thing we see is this. So it looks like each filament comes in a box. There are 3 filaments in here. Okay. So here's our first filament. Okay, so that's just the box, nothing too special. It doesn't say which filament it is. Yes, okay, so this filament is the wood filament. So we'll just take it out of this box to see what's in here. So like I said, there's 3 altogether. I think each one is in their own little individual box. Okay, so just like that, you can open it, okay, and then you can see the spool with the filament on it, okay, there's nothing else in the box. The first thing is, okay, so there's a thing that tells you all about the filament that you've got. So this is our filament. Okay, so it's 1 kilogram worth of a wood filament. So we'll just pop that down to the side. Then we'll get our next one out. I wonder what this is. So you can probably see at the top which one it is. So this is a blue PLA filament, which is sort of just the normal plastic. And that PLA is the only filament that I've used before, so it's the first time that I'm going to be using something different. A couple of things that I've printed in PLA is this bearing, which actually spins quite nice, and it just printed actually in place. I didn't have to put anything together. And this little elephant, okay, very small. It's actually quite detailed if you look up close. And its tail can move, its head can move, and its legs can move. Okay, so we'll get this filament out. So again, another pamphlet sort of about how to use it. So 1 kilogram of this. Okay. Again, that's just the pamphlet. So put that down to the side. At the end, we'll compare how big each spool is, sort of, how much of the stuff there actually is, because maybe some of it's heavier than others, which I'm sure it is. So maybe you'll get more of something because it just goes off a kilo, not a length or an amount, just by a kilo. I feel like this one might be the lightest. So this stuff's meant to be quite light. Okay, we didn't get a book with this one, it looks like. No, we didn't. So no, there wasn't one of these pamphlets with this one. Well, I know what this one is anyway. This one is carbon fibre. Okay, so 1 kilogram carbon fibre. So it's black, obviously. So that's all that's in the box. Okay. So now I'm going to get all 3 of the filaments up, and we're going to compare how much of each one you actually get. So obviously it's 1 kilo, but some of it will be lighter or heavier than the others, and maybe you'll get less or more of that. Okay. So this is the 3 of them. So wood, blue PLA, carbon fibre. So it actually looks like you get pretty much the same amount. I'd say the least is the wood. You get the least amount of wood, just by a little bit. The next is the least amount of blue, and then the most, probably the carbon fibre. Okay, so I will do a sort of review and show you what you need to do to print with these, and maybe showing you some things I've printed with them. So just look out for that video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and bye.